Oh my gosh, we love swimming in the pool park. I agree with you, Egret. We're having fun. Okay, Pelican, Seagull, Anhinga, Pekin duck, Canada goose, Egret, Mallard Female, and Swan, for your present, you will be getting a fusion lab. Thanks, Eastern Box Turtle. Let's fuse each other. Wow, we've became a hybrid. That hybrid is looking stinky. That's it. I'll turn Eastern Box Turtle into a puddle. No! Eastern Box Turtle! Alright, now to give the hybrid center into the predators, which includes grizzly bear, black bear, white tiger, American alligator, alligator snapping turtle, and spotted hyena. Uh-oh. Alright, the hybrid is killed. Now let's go to the jungle. Excellent job. So what brings you here, you eight? The Pelican, Seagull, Anhinga, Pekin duck, Canada goose, Egret, Mallard Female, and the Swan have turned into a hybrid from the fusion lab given by Eastern Box Turtle as a Stag Beetle turned Eastern Box Turtle into a puddle, and he summoned predators that include grizzly bear, black bear, white tiger, American alligator, alligator snapping turtle, and spotted hyena to kill the hybrid. You eight, I am very proud of you. For this, you are ungrounded, and for reward, you will be having McDonald's by ordering a McChicken burger with French fries. Thanks! Now let's go!